All right, so imagine you're out dressed to the nines, they say, and you suddenly get a snag in your outfit. This wouldn't happen to me, actually. Seamstress Verna Dowman is here to fix that or to tell us how to fix it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
So me now, and I pull out a little thing, I must just stop same time and sew it up. I mean, just take it off and carry it or something.
No, there are several things that you can do to prevent and several things that you can do when you're out there.
Let's start with some of the preventative. We're going through 5 best fixes. Static cling, which is something that women probably go through more than men. Even though men can have it with their shirts, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But it's mostly for the ladies where it's clinging to your legs,
Right.
yes? Your skirt,
It's very
or your
annoying.
dress. Right. So what you could do is just moisturize your skin. Go to the bathroom, go to the ladies' room, and moisturize your legs.
Ms. Doban, you cannot tell me that for 41 years I've been experiencing static cling, and the answer was always lotion.
Yes.
What causes it, by
Moisturize
the
the
way?
skin.
What causes it?
Static,
Yeah, but what
make it
causes it?
cling.
What
too.
causes it?
And what you could do to prevent it is to pull it through a metal hanger.
Put it through how?
A metal hanger, you know, the metal has that triangle.
Just pull the garment
Yes.
through the hanger?
Yes, yes, yes.
And it removes the static?
Yes.
So what causes this, as never is asked, why does it happen in the first place?
That's scientific.
Oh, good answer. All right. Who knew?
I guess it's have something to do with how it's washed or what you use.
Yes, sometimes
in the-
because when you put a bounce in it, well, advertising bounce,
Yeah.
but,
Yeah, but-
yes, you could get rid of it with a fabric softener type of thing, yes.
So just lotion
Lotion.
yourself and that's it.
Lotion your legs.
Father. All right. Hem disasters now. How do we deal with hem disasters?
Oh, there are several things, you know. For the hem, you could depending on the type of fabric, you could staple it, like denim.
I was just going to say, I don't really want to feel bad, but the staple saved me enough time. It's so bad.
But you wouldn't want to staple your silk.
Right.
Right. So there is also the masking tape, and there is also the two-sided tape.
Yes, preach.
Yes. And there's also, well, you wouldn't have had this then, but there's also the stitch witchery, this here.
Stitch witchery.
Yes. You just press it on and you have it going. This is how it seals it. This is really permanent, yes. See?
Hold on, man.
That's like a hem.
So you do it on this side. So how would you do it on this side?
So you would have a strip of it.
Yeah.
And you put it here. So this is your hem.
Yeah.
So it would just be a strip. You put it here. You turn it up like that. And you press on it. And this is what you get.
How way is it to me?
Yes.
Hold on. So that is inside this?
Yes, it's right here. It's fused in. It's fused in.
Oh, when the heat
melts it and that's it.
So you have to press it on?
Yes.
Oh.
You press it in. You put
press
it
it
under the
in.
hem and then you press
Yes.
it like
Yeah,
that.
but if
and
me
then
out the road, me all get iron and things.
no, that's if
So
you're
you
at
use
home and
pins.
it's happened.
Outer road, you use pins and masking tape or
Two-sided tape
Yeah.
or a stapler.
Or a stapler.
stapler, depending on the type of fabric.
Safety pins. What a great invention.
Indeed.
My word, I'm not going a place. They save us a
Yes.
lot.
So that could put you on your shank button if your button falls off.
What?
Okay.
This type of button.
So how you
And
get
you
this?
just pin it at the back.
Okay. And you put the safety pin.
Yes.
How we pin up and glue up and tape up out the road. But you look good. Ain't nobody
See?
got to know.
Assuming that's
wow.
a safety pin.
Yes. What? Which button drop off? No, my button is quite secure.
Yes.
How
You
we-
actually have some buttons that are decorative and you use a pin to hold it in place. And so when you're going to the cleaners, you remove the button because you don't want the button damaged.
Okay. Deodorant stains?
Deodorant stains, you could use the wipes. Yes.
Baby wipes.
Yes.
You do it on the inside
Get
or
it.
the outside?
In and out. Where is it showing? It's on the
Inside, usually.
outside.
Yeah.
It's on the outside. If it's inside, then you wouldn't see it.
No, but
So
it
you
come
wouldn't
from
have to fix
but it
it.
come from the inside to get to the outside.
No, I'm saying if you're out and the deodorant is showing, that's when you're going to be fixing it. So you would have to rub it on the outside, and it wouldn't leave a mark.
Okay. And for oil spills?
Powder.
And it
powder.
removes it
Yes.
right
It
away?
soaks it up.
Or it soaks... Oh.
So they tell me that you're going to teach me how to stitch a button.
Yes.
So
But
I
I
need
know how to
so
stitch
hold on,
a
so
button.
we need a kit with lotion, pin, masking tape, double-sided tape, wipes, and powder.
So if you're going to sew, you're going to need a needle. Here's your
Usually.
needle.
Can't thread this in, Miss Doe.
Okay. I have a threader for you.
We need to, you know, we
You
need
have
to
a threader?
invent
Yes.
threaded needles. That needs to be a thing.
threader. Here you go. Here's your threader. Have you ever seen that? Here.
No. Oh, you should be true like so. Are correct?
Yes.
How you do it?
Yes.
Right.
And here's
Okay.
your thread.
Then no, the
So
same
you
thing
put-
might
put
as
it
well
through.
be put in
No,
it.
this
because
is
me can't
firm.
say
This
for
is
put in
firm,
this.
so it goes in better.
Like so.
Right? And
then
so you
what?
get your thread. Ladies
Mine is-
before gents. Oh, you
Hold
don't
on.
put in
Put
yours
it
yet?
through. Yeah, I did, but I took it
Neville.
back out.
Take
I
your
can't
thread
see.
and just put it through that big section.
There you
now.
go.
Big hole.
Put it through so.
Yes.
My friend needle bigger than my needle.
And then
No.
what?
And then, okay. You put it through yet?
It is through.
Yeah, man.
Madam.
You
Me
see,
don't
mine go all
understand
the way
something.
through.
So oh you get it.
It can go all the way through?
Yes, it goes like that. See?
Okay,
I'm
And then
full
you
of
gotcha.
this
put it
now?
through like that
Oh this. Aye.
and pull it back now.
Wicked nephew. They all you only be only one must come
No,
through
just
now.
one.
Aye.
Yes.
All right, gotcha.
Eh?
Oh, wait, you said to me. Hold on. All
I
right.
don't need all of these things. I have it
Cannot
already.
see, not a thing can I see. My eyes are getting so bad, it's nothing funny.
Okay.
Okay.
So are we going to
Have
put
the
on
thing.
a flat button?
You tell us.
Yes.
What you want us
This
to put
is, this
on?
is nice and simple.
We do that already. That's it.
And here
See,
you go.
we must do it 2 times.
Here, Neville. Here.
Okay.
I didn't get yours.
This is this, which is the front of this garment? Is? Here?
Yes.
Okay. So let's stitch him up.
Did you tie? Did you not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm sure my belt
And
taught you how
what
to
you
do
should
this
try
now.
to do is to have the back looking just like when it's done on the commercial.
Oh, wait. No,
Yes.
I don't know about
Look,
that.
it's not going to be all over the place. It's going to be one spot like that. So you keep going in the same
One spot, as in medium. All right, let's try it. Da, 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 dee, da, da.
After
Never,
that,
never, why is it, why is your, why is, wait, no, but why is the top of your thread in the, why is the, why is the knot, why is the knot at the top? You can't put the knot at the top now?
go back under Neville. Yes.
You can't put the knot at the
Let
top
me
now.
just cut off that and be done. Me just cut off that and be done.
I'm not sure about what you're doing up there. 'Cause
Mine done.
No, Neville. And if you cut it there, then the button is going to fall off because the knot that's supposed to be holding it is gone. Jesus, God help you. I don't know. One more stitch around and then we...
Okay, the next thing that you're going to do
Yeah, no,
now,
we not
I'm
done
sure
this
that
yet.
you're... The back stitch is...
I don't think we have time to do that, so I think we're just
I'm
going to
so
do
glad.
the button.
Because I didn't come here this morning for sew. I did so poorly at textiles and clothing in school, but I must say I did better than left.
So all me have to do is get rid of this little thing and I'm good.
Okay, great.
Let's
No.
see the back.
Yes.
And look at the back. Same spot?
Oh,
No.
wow.
No?
Yeah.
So me just have to cut off this, but since if me cut it off, it will slide back through.
As I was saying. Like
Let
your
me see.
scissor.
Let me try
There
it.
you go.
Make us see. We did not it.
Seamstress Verna Doe, man.
Hold on.
We'll be right back.
It is quite firm.
Pass on me the scissors.
Quite
please.
firm. Feel that.
Pass
and-
the scissors.
and-
to me.
Yes, oh yes.
So you know when your pants button drop
Don't
off
me
now,
get a
you're
A?
good to go.
Sure. This is an A job.
Thank you. It's an A job.
I have a couple of
Now I'm not
garments.
trying my best to mash up the thing.
I'm going to bring my garments to you to fix. See here? All right. You throw it a break now, Neville?
Make us see everything.
Just give me a break.